what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to...
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Krystle and I'm back with another slay for y'all. If you are new here, welcome. Come on in, take a seat, and let's get into all of this goodness. Now, if you are a part of my YouTube family, hey girl, hey, and welcome back. Now, let's go ahead and get into this unit that I have for you guys today. It's a little bit different. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone, y'all. But I wanted to show you guys some different colors and stuff like that, especially on chocolate skin. Today's video is sponsored by Gorgius-Wigs. They were nice enough to send this unit out to me to share with you guys. Now, the thing with this unit, Gorgius-Wigs usually are pushing out these human hair units, and they are now serving the synthetic wig girl community. So the unit that I have for you guys today is a synthetic unit. Y'all, she is here in all of her glory. This is one of their newest styles, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay, you guys, so now that we have fully installed this unit, let's talk about the specs of this unit. Then we're going to get into the cons and the pros. So go ahead and continue to watch. Okay, so specs of this unit. This is a orange, red, ginger color type of look. And the thing with Gorgius is they typically do human hair units, but they have recently launched their synthetic line of hair, and they have invested in a fiber that is called Futura fiber technology, which is comparable to a Remy human hair technology. So what they are doing is they are giving you the highest premium synthetic hair to mimic that human hair look. Okay. You're also going to get this beautiful color. It's not this shiny Barbie doll type of texture. It's a silky but beautiful color that they have invested in as well. Another thing with this unit, it is 24 inches long, so you are getting some length. Okay, this is how far it is on me. It's like right under my chest, and I am 5'6". They also claim this unit should last you for 1 year or more with proper care. You can get a few washes in with this unit. It is also heat safe up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So you get some great specs, and you also have a pre-plucked hairline, which we will get into more details of what I think about that when I get into the pros and cons of this unit. So now that we've got the specs out of the way, I do want to let you know that this wig is going to cost you about $74, and that is with using my 25% off discount code that I will link down below in the description box to save you guys some coins. Now let's go ahead and get into the cons of this unit, and we will wrap this up with the pros, y'all. Okay, cons with this unit. It claims that it is a pre-plucked hairline. However, I did have to go in and significantly pluck this unit to get it to what I want it to look like. So you are going to have to put in some work. Another thing is, y'all, I did experience some shedding before I plucked the unit, and then the shedding will increase since I did pluck the unit. So be mindful of that. If you do decide to continue to pluck this unit, you are going to increase the likelihood of the shedding. And be mindful, and always remember, this is a synthetic unit. So manage your expectations when it comes to that. So the last con that I experienced with this unit is this is not very big head friendly. It states that it is a medium cap, so it's not necessarily a con. And I'm a big head girl. I was able to fit this on my head. However, I did not fully tack down the sides because I am a big head girl and I am not fitting in this medium cap. So be mindful of that when you are picking this unit up. I have one last con. I did have like this plastic piece of string sticking out at the top of the wig. I was able to go in with some tiny scissors and cut that piece out. I did want to make sure that I include that in the review in case you guys get a unit that has that. I think it may have just been a defect in creating the wig. All right, let's go ahead and get into the pros. So pros with this unit, y'all, the color is everything. It is beautiful. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone. I don't usually go for these very dramatic colors, especially that ginger orange color, but I feel like it did turn out beautiful. Gorgius definitely did their thing with giving us quality color. And so I definitely want to give them a round of applause with that. Beautiful job on the color. Another thing that I loved about this unit is the curl pattern. Even though I did run into some shedding and tangling, when I brushed through the unit would go right back into place. The curls will pop right back into place. And I love that about this style. It's definitely giving the quality that it promised. With the curls it's beginner friendly. It's not too much lace and it's not too little lace. They claim that you just need one brush and the curls pop back into place. I can definitely attest that that is true. I rate this unit about an 8. I think that she's cute. She's definitely giving a look. It is a longer unit, so I would not wear this unit like in the hot summer months. I would wait maybe for like fall. I love that it's not giving like this shiny Barbie doll stringy hair. It does definitely remind me of a human hair texture, and I appreciate the company for stepping it up and giving us a synthetic unit that can mimic and look like a high quality human hair unit. So you guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I will put all the information to this unit down in the description box. Huge shout out to Gorgius Wigs for sponsoring today's video, and huge shout out to you guys for stopping in and chatting with me. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this unit down below. You guys talk to me in the comments. You know I love to talk to you back. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.
In this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your